Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morrow County, Knox County, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Sparta, or 11 miles southeast of Mount Gilead, moving east at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Mount Vernon, Fredericktown, Gambier, Utica, Centerburg, Danville, Chesterville, Sparta, Waterford, Waringo, Fulton, Martinsburg, Gann, North Liberty and Bladensburg. Here are the